Only don't cross your hands, you can keep them in any way. Whichever is comfortable, whichever is convenient. Now we're taking you to a very deep state of relaxation. Now in this state, you'll be knowing everything that is happening around you. But you'll be relaxed. Totally relaxed. And after you get up, you'll feel very fresh and energetic. So just sit comfortably. Sit back. Otherwise it will start paining. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take another deeper breath. Just fill your lungs. And exhale. Again take a deep breath. Completely fill your lungs. And exhale. Every time, and close your eyes. And keep your eyes closed. Every time you breathe in, you are breathing in fresh, relaxing, rejuvenating energy. And every time you breathe out, all the tension, all negativities, all phobia is just going out of your body. And again when you breathe in, you're breathing in the fresh, relaxing energy. Just feel it, relaxing your entire body from head to feet. You can feel all the tension leaving your body, making you more relaxed in your body, mind, and spirit. Just imagine, visualize that you're standing at a gate. As you open and enter that gate, there's a nice garden. You're walking on the grass barefoot. You can feel the soft grass. You can smell the freshly cut grass. As you're enjoying it, you're walking ahead. You can see beautiful trees with nice fruits in different colors. As you're walking ahead, you can see nice plants with beautiful flowers. You can smell those flowers. You can see butterflies flying over those flowers. Just walk ahead. There's a nice bench there. You're sitting in the bench, enjoying the scenery. Beautiful birds singing in the trees. You can feel the soft breeze slowly touching your skin. You can smell different fruits, the grass, and the flowers. You're relaxing more and more. As you're relaxing, all the tension is leaving your body, making you more relaxed in your body, mind and spirit. I'll be using this word relax many times. Every time you use the word relax, you'll go into deeper and deeper relaxation. Now you're getting up, just walking slowly. There's a nice door in front. Open the door and enter. There's a lift there. When you press the button, the doors are opening. You are entering the lift. You press the close button. The door is closing. Now when the lift goes down, you'll be going deeper and deeper into relaxation. When it goes down to the basement, you'll be in the deepest state of your relaxation, much more deeper than what you have gone before. So press the down button. We can see the numbers. It is showing 10. It is going down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're feeling more and more relaxed. You feel as if some parts of your body are not existing, or the whole body may be weightless. You may feel as if you are floating in the air. Just relax your entire body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It has reached the ground floor. The door is opening. You're walking out. There's a door in front of you. You just open that door and enter the room. The room is very comfortable. There's a nice chair inside. Very comfortable. You're sitting in that and relaxing. As you're relaxing, you can just see around the room. There's very dim light. There's a very nice fragrance coming, which is making you very, very relaxed, happy, and comfortable. Now always you have washed your body while taking bath, but you have never washed your brain. So I'll teach you how to clean your brain. There's a tap near you. When you open it, you get crystal clear water. So just open your skull and remove your brain. Keep it under the tap and wash it. As you start washing your brain, you can see all the dirt accumulated over the years is just flowing out, making your brain very, very bright, shining. After washing it, just hold it in your hand. There's a bright star above your head, which is giving out positive energy. You can feel the energy coming and energizing your brain. You can feel the vibrations in your brain and in your hands, which are holding the brain. Just energize the brain. It is getting lots of positive energy. Each and every cell is getting energized, and all negativities are flowing out, making it shine more. After energizing it, just keep it in your skull and close it. Now the light from the star is coming and touching your skull. You may feel a faint tingling sensation on your skull or in some parts of your body, as that energy cleanses your whole body. The energy is also entering you through your third eye, between your eyebrows, filling your entire body and energizing your entire body. Just feel it. I'll give you some time to feel that energy and relax. You're totally relaxed, in the deepest state of relaxation. In that state, let us go back to the time when you had read or seen something and remember it very well. It may be a time when we are in school or college, or some other place where you remember things very well. You are in that place. You can see a clear picture. You can hear all those words and having the same feelings. You are feeling very confident. Now let us bring it to the present and anchor it. So whenever you study something, you'll have an excellent memory. Whenever you open any book, you'll be able to read with full concentration. When you are studying, your brain understands, comprehends the thing, classifies it, and helps you to remember it and recall whenever you want. You have an excellent memory. Your brain is like a sponge. Whatever you study, you'll be able to remember, recall, grasp, understand, and reproduce and remember whenever you want. You have excellent memory for numbers and dates also. You can remember all dates, all numbers, all figures, and all facts, whatever you need. It may be in the form of a picture, it may be in the form of words, of feelings, or a mixture of everything. You'll be able to remember, recall, and reproduce things very clearly. You already have an excellent memory and you have excellent concentration and excellent comprehending skills. And every time you'll be able to remember everything. Things come to you very easily, very naturally. You are an excellent student. You had been an excellent student and always you had been very good. Feel that confidence increasing in you, just filling your entire body with that confidence. You can sit for long hours and read. You can grasp lots of information from any source. It may be a book, it may be a newspaper, or TV, or computer, or in any other form. You'll be able to remember them in a way which is very easy and convenient for you. And always you can remember those things. And whenever you want, you'll be able to remember and recall things. And this will permanently be there with you. And whenever you want, you can use this in any way which will be beneficial to you, or you can use it for helping others also, for any positive thing. every day, in every way, you become better and better and better. Every day, in every way, your memory becomes better and better and better. You have a super memory. And you can remember and recall things. You have an excellent concentration.